Hi guys, I hope you're good since last video. So we're gonna go straight away into it. We spin up the instance, Lightning AI. Later on I'm gonna show you how you can get the same installation in instance, because you will need some GPUs to run this. So I'm in VS Code, but I might switch to Jupyter Notebook later on. So here are the compute that are available, CPUs and GPUs. So initially you get those CPUs, but we're using Lightning AI. Why? Because we want to use GPUs, because in our local computer we don't have this power. We switch to GPUs and we try to find the right balance between speed and cost. You'll get some free credits. So we're going to wisely use it by choosing here the GPUs, 4 GPUs, and the model will be the L4 model. So the speed is equivalent to the 8NG model. So we're going to choose this one at the end, but I'm just going to switch and click in some different options here, GPUs, so you can see on the right side how the cost per hour is changing. So you can use it also to train your models if you want to have your custom models. So for GPUs, L4 model. This was for the GPUs, and here is the AI-Marat Flux Web UI. So this is the easiest way that I found to install Flux and be able to use it. The easiest way and the best way. So just those four lines of codes that we're going to use later on. Let's just navigate quickly to the Marat AI channel. So this is his channel. I believe that you can find many interesting videos, but the one that we're focusing is the Flux.1 best AI model, this one here. And just for the credits, here is Patreon. We can jump into the Creditizens channel also. We don't have this fancy Patreon stuff, but we have here an Ethereum wallet address, which is here. So 10, 100,000 Ethereums you can send. Okay. So I want to show you also in the channel here we have LLM Studio video. So it's a 16-minute video. If you follow along that video, you'll be able to have the same environment as the one I'm using at the moment to get your free GPUs. So using this Lightning AI solution. Here is the video. I'm just fast forwarding it a bit. But as our local computers don't have enough power, those solutions are nice for us to be able to try whatever is trending at the moment, or to train your models. All right. And also, for sure, there is this button here that you can click, and the other one here, so you like and subscribe. We're having a little break, just a few seconds, and we're gonna start. Now that you have the environment, we can install it. I have switched to the Jupyter Notebook from the VS Code 1. Here we're gonna select the Jupyter Notebook. After that, we need the code, just 4 lines of code that I showed you before. We grab those lines, copy and paste, we run the code. So this part is not fast forwarded, so you'll be able to see how long it takes for generation, installation, and everything. As you can see here, there's different packets coming, tokenizers, scheduler, the different configs, different models also. There are some big files. So it's between 3 and 9 gigabytes, 3 and 10 gigabytes, I would say. So depending on the PyTorch models. So it's a mixture of models and the configurations that we're gonna get. Just few seconds left. So I didn't felt that it was a very long installation. That's why I'm not fast forwarding. So you can see also how Lightning AI is amazing. So we start using the widget made by Marat_AI. It's a nice way to prompt and get our image generation. So at the moment, what is the news is that there are some huge alerts in Japan, in Tokyo. So the East Coast is on the threat. A super earthquake could happen anytime, but it's a story that I've been hearing since 2005. So there's tectonic plates between California and Japan. It's shrinking, there's some pressure accumulating, and it might, at any time, those plates might, one plate might go under the other one or above, which can cause huge catastrophe like earthquake. But it can be in both sides. It's not only in the Japanese side, but in the American side as well. So let's make a picture about that crazy event, Tokyo Super Earthquake, coming soon, autumn 2024. Fracture of ground, Fujisan erupting, and let's see what is going to be generating. For the image size, I suggest you to use 512 to get a quick generation. Image generation, we're using just 4 steps, and we're going to see how long it's going to take to generate the image. Same here, nothing is fast forwarded. 23 seconds, 28, 32. I don't know if it is real seconds. And 37 seconds. I didn't feel like it was 37 seconds. So here we got the image. We can see a bit of, we can zoom in the image and see some details. Can be better for the fire, but it's pretty nice for such a little prompt, not very detailed, like a 0-shot prompt. We're gonna add some steps. Bring it to 8 steps. We're gonna keep the width and the height the same, so same size for the picture. We're gonna maybe add, what can we add? There might be also tsunami happening. So the Fujisan is very close to the coast. So let's add with a big tsunami wave and see what is gonna be producing in terms of image. So we have more steps, means that it's going to take more time. Here the GPUs, as you can see, this video is recorded from the 10th of August, and you can see the activity on the GPU side. So here you can monitor it. So while the image is generating, it's using the full GPUs, the 4 GPUs. It's been 19 seconds, 23 seconds. We're almost there. Almost as quick as the one that we've done before. 37 seconds, same. Okay. It's all about the size maybe. Let's zoom in this image. I'm not gonna make several images, just those 2 for you to see the whole process. The clouds, the wave, amazing. So like and subscribe. I've made this image also of a character, but it looks like more like a drawing. It's not perfect. You see the eyes and the nose, the mouth, but the hair is fine. So I wanted you to see this, how to generate your own images using the latest Flux. The trend is the one trending at the moment. It's not censored also, which is interesting. You can do whatever you want. All right, I'm gonna stop here. I hope that you like this video, and see you next time.